So this is a question I get a lot. I've had people ask, and they said, hey, if you could go back all over again and trade your law degree and get an MBA instead, would you do it? My answer is no, but I do understand a lot of people may decide to say yes. And here's why I say no. Yes, of course, MBA is cheaper. It's usually 2 years. Yes, it gives you a lot of options on what you can do for your career. But I think a law degree does as well. I think the problem that we have is that as lawyers, we've been taught that a law degree means you have to be a lawyer, right? Or practice law, work at a law firm. And I think that's where my biggest disservice. As an MBA, they know that they can do anything because they have an MBA. It gives them, they have that thinking that MBA means I can do anything. We don't think that. We think law degree means I have to work as an attorney. Those skills you have give you the ability to do so much, right? So because of that, you are an asset to so many different companies. Because the ability to think the way you do, the ability to critically think, the ability to read the law, the ability to apply the law, it's not something that people have. You know, that's why the LSAT is so hard. That's why the bar exam is so hard. It's not for everybody. So you are in this special group. You are in a group of people who possess the abilities that 95% of the population do not possess. Maybe even probably like 98. Your law degree is special. You shouldn't want to trade it for an MBA. You shouldn't want to trade it for anything. What you should want to do is realize how to use that law degree in ways that further your career, not just working in a law firm, right? Using it to work, at startups, for example, at fintech companies, using it to work at financial institutions, using it to work at pharma companies. You have so many options. That law degree is so valuable. Those skills are so valuable. They're so priceless. You just need to realize that it can't be the way that you've been taught before, right? You can do so much more. You will always be able to do so much more. The problem is we're just not told that. So an MBA has this, MBA, you can work here, you can work there. The same thing for a law degree. But you know what an MBA can do that a lawyer can do? We can go and argue in front of a judge. We can go and practice law. MBAs can't. We can do what an MBA can. We can go and learn this stuff and understand and get the MBA. But MBAs can't do what we can do. You can't learn how to be a lawyer on the job. Like you can't get the bar on the job. You can't go and get a job and work there and you're on the job training. It's like, okay, like going to law school. No. Either you passed the bar or you didn't. Either you're sworn in or you're not. There's no swearing in ceremony for an MBA. Your law degree is valuable. Don't trade it for anything. You can do so much. Just realize that you have to shift the way that you're looking at your law degree. It's not the way it's always been taught. You have so many options. You have so many things you can do. Realize that and never forget it. I want to make sure that's something I really want you to impress upon. All right? Let me know you guys' thoughts. If maybe you think you should trade your law degree for an MBA, what your thoughts are, I'd love to hear it if you comment below. All right? Thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.